In this problem, we're told that we have a string of 20 small lights, each of which has a resistance of 144 ohms, and we're connecting this to a 12-volt DC power source. So here's a picture of it. It's not practical to show all 20 of them, so we just put ... And you can imagine there's 20 of these things wired in parallel. And in part A, we want to get the total resistance of these parallel wired lights. So we write down the standard formula for the equivalent resistance for parallel resistors. And again, I'll use the ... because I don't want to write every single one of these terms. The last one is R20. So that's going to give me a 1 over 144 plus another 1 over 144 plus ... all the way down to the 20th term. And what you have to realize with the math here is that I have repeated addition, in other words, multiplication, and I end up with 20 times 1 over 144 on that side. So all I have to do is take 20 over 144 in my calculator and then do 1 over that to get the reciprocal, and I'll have my equivalent resistance. And the way it turns out is that it's 7.2 ohms. One thing you should always check is that the equivalent resistance of a parallel combination is less than the resistance of any individual resistor. So this definitely meets that standard. Now I want to get the total power dissipated by the parallel light circuit. So this is just a reminder that when we create the simplified circuit with an equivalent resistance in it, the total power dissipated is equal to the total power dissipated by all the resistors in the combination. So it's as simple as that. I can apply my power formula to this one resistor circuit with the equivalent resistance in it, and the total power from that calculation is the same as if I did all these individual ones and added them together. Since I have V and I have R, I may as well use the formula P equals V squared over R. That's 12 squared over 7.2, and I get a total power dissipated of 20 watts. If you find the physics content on Zach's Lab helpful, click on the Zach's Lab logo on the right to browse playlists and subscribe to the channel. I produce over 100 new videos per month, and subscribing is the easiest way to find new content. Thanks for watching.